Unboxing of the Aoralscan Elite. When you open the box, inside the flap, you'll find a white envelope. Inside the envelope, we have our quick start guide, our guide to cleaning and high level disinfection of the scanner, and guide to cleaning and high temperature autoclave for the scanning tips. On the cover, you'll see a QR code. If you scan the QR code, it'll take you to our website where you'll find instructional videos. First, I'll remove the calibration block. The Aoralscan Elite wand. The cradle for the Aoralscan Elite. The cable for the calibration block to the computer. We have our tips. So the scanner comes with 6 tips, 3 standard, 1 mini tip, and 2 extra large tips. Standard tip and a mini. 2 more standard tips. And 2 of our extra large scanning tips for the IPG photogrammetry. And a USB drive for the software. With the purchase of your Aoralscan Elite, you will also receive a High Accuracy Coded Scanbody kit that will go with the implant system of your choice. When you open the box, inside the flap, you'll see a white envelope. Inside the white envelope, we have our Scanbody Quick Start Guide, as well as a sterilization guide for your coded Scanbodies. If you scan the QR code on the paper, it'll take you to the website where we have detailed instructions on how to sterilize your coded Scanbodies. You'll also receive a certificate of QC. Inside this white rectangle box is where the high accuracy coded Scanbodies come individually wrapped, and you will also receive a practice model with multi-unit abutments. If you scan this QR code on the white box, it'll take you to our instructional video of the high accuracy coded Scanbodies. This kit has been assembled. It can be autoclaved, and each individual Scanbody can be autoclaved up to 300 times. Inside the box, we have our 9 high accuracy coded Scanbodies, 2 drivers, and 1 torquing wrench. With the purchase of your Aoralscan Elite, you will have the option of choosing a high accuracy coded Scanbody kit that is standard, or you can choose the screw removable high accuracy coded Scanbody kit. This package is the screw removable coded Scanbody kit. Once you open the box, in the flap you'll see a white envelope. Inside the white envelope we have our sterilization guide and quick start guide. If you scan the QR code on the sterilization guide, it'll take you to our website where you will find detailed instructions on how to sterilize your high accuracy coded Scanbodies. Next, you will find a box with the printed study model with multi-unit abutments attached. And our coated Scanbody kit. So the box is autoclavable, and each high accuracy coated Scanbody is autoclavable up to 300 times. We have our 9 high accuracy coated Scanbodies, as well as 12 coated scan caps, a silver tray for our screws. We also received 2 drivers and a torquing wrench.